Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix slow performance on Windows 11 quickly and step by step. Slow performance can be caused by too many startup apps, background processes, or low system resources. First, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable apps you don't need when your PC boots. Next, switch to the Processes tab and close any apps using high CPU or memory. Now open Settings, then go to System and click on Storage. Enable Storage Sense and remove temporary files to free up space. After that, go to Windows Update and install all available updates. Keeping your system updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Now open Device Manager and update your drivers, especially for graphics and storage. You can also adjust visual effects by searching for performance settings. Select Adjust for Best Performance to disable unnecessary animations. Finally, restart your computer to apply all changes. Your system should now run faster and more smoothly. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.